the snow. Here we are.
Watch out, don't fall. What is that? What's that? What is it? We have to make a snowman.
Ooh, the wind's blowing.
It's still snowing too, isn't it?
Yeah. Our neighbor down there without his jacket on. Hmm? Well, of course, here it is, March the 13th, 1983, about 10:15 a.m. And as you can see, the car's buried, both of them. Everything around here is covered with snow. Miss Norris's carports fell in on her car. Yeah, we probably ought to check on her. Boy, look at the drift over here, man. It must be 2 feet deep over here, beside the house. Boy, it's something. Whoa, I just stepped in a place that was about a foot deep. There goes Beth in about a foot of snow. Some places it's about 2 feet, ain't it?
Well, it comes up to here.
A drift, yeah. Need to get my measure. There goes a bird venturing out. We're going rabbit hunting. Have you seen your carport? Yeah. You might have got by it. The whole thing don't look like it came down. Maybe part of it didn't come down on it. Yeah. Yeah.
You need anything? Well, you holler if you do.
Well, I don't know. We might ought to get this camera back in, or at least out of the blowing snow. Let me see if I can get out here and get a picture of the house, since you've got the snow. I'm standing in about 2 feet of snow here in a drift. I'd say it's about a foot in places anyway, but like I say, about 2 feet of drift. But there's a good foot of snow here probably. I don't think Anna knows what to do with it. Oh. Miss Norris's carport was there. It's a shambles now, and the car's underneath all of that. Our grill covered up. Miss Anna's here having a ball on the porch. I don't think she wants to get too far off. Of course, she got plenty of snow here. Well, nothing about it, Anna. If you fall off the porch, you can't hurt yourself too much. Yeah. There's a foot of snow on the edge of the porch. Boy, does my heart good. See that Louisiana gal shoveling snow.
I've never seen so much snow in my life.
Yeah, I think this is probably about the worst thing I've ever seen, even in living in Indiana. I don't know, we might have had one this bad. It's bad, though. Let me get a picture of the neighbor's yard. It's the only time it looks really good. Whoa, there goes blowing snow.
Oh, this
Great Northern blowing in.
going into Alabama. How many
I'm not on the ground either. Right there it's measuring 15 inches and I'm still not to the ground with the tape. Got a driveway out here somewhere. They packed about 2 inches on the road running over it. There's about about 8 inches laying on the road. It's not a good measure of the melt on it.
Who's this little girl?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Huh?
Are you playing in the snow?
No.
Is it fun?
But
Are you gonna sweep? Well, you can't swing. It's covered with snow. Are you cleaning it off? Watch here. Let Mommy try to clean it off. No, it's too deep to go over there, darling. You acted like those guys last night. Dad's been invigorated for some reason. Oh no. I see you making an ammunition. Yeah.
You ready to go? Where you ready to go to? You got that shovel?
Yeah, it's over here.
Shovel the car out and get, so I'd be able to get to stuff. What's this? The back of the hood. The back of the trunk. If stuff freezes, you can make tunnels in it.
Yeah.
You let the lenses get unfoggy before you start taping?
Yeah, it didn't fog. It would fog up if I took it inside.
Oh, that's right, yeah. I knew that when I say, oh, it's already froze on this handle.
Whoa! Watch, don't fall. 16 inches. Looking down the hill. Last night, crazy people were trying to come up the hill. Weren't they, Anna? Crazy drivers. Say, come on, people.
Come on, people.
Look at me and say it again. Anna.
Come on, people.
Yeah, get with it.
Come on, people.
You know you can't drive in this stuff.
They got my car so I go work.
Yeah.
You know, national defense and all that.
Yeah.
Daddy, I go.
Tree snapped in this front yard. As you can see, not it, but probably the weight of the snow and ice pulled some lines down to the houses, probably telephone, maybe cable TV. This tree has lost some limbs on top. It's in real danger of falling. There are some people in the neighborhood stuck, I think. Well, I guess that's one of those never say die four-wheelers sitting down there in the ditch. Can't go any farther. Let's see. Looks like somebody came out of the house walking down that way. Yeah. There's a magnolia tree about to fall down. You don't see many magnolias covered with snow like that. Of course, they don't have them up north. Coming on down again. As you can see, the mountains back over there are not visible now. Whew, the wind's getting pretty rough too. Looks like Indiana. And the Blue Jays looking for something to eat. Good folks put some bird seed out on the board for them. Of course, when we came along, we disturbed them a little bit. I believe that's the Sherbet's residence there. The flag flying. It's about frozen now, along with their cars. But Old Glory still waves. Well, I stepped in this hole here. Actually, it's not a hole, it's the ground. And it's about 24 inches deep right here. Believe it or not. I was going to come right here and get a shot of that tree that fell. But it's hard to get a shot from here. Snapped off.
Look at that. Got bags on her feet and her legs. She's ready to go outside. Get out in some of this snow. Well, let's go. This is fun, isn't it? The sun shines out today. There's some icicles hanging up there. Dad kind of worked on the car yesterday. And he made a path out here. Be careful, this is icy. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Watch out, darling. It's slippery, isn't it? I think some of Miss Norris's.
Airport.
Some of her icicles are really long. Her poor car, somewhere underneath there. There's some more icicles. Today's Sunday. I think the roads are all still closed, pretty much. Except for a few four-wheel drive. People really weren't expecting it to be this bad. I know we weren't. We were prepared pretty much, but I guess they're just starting it up to start it up. They won't be going anywhere unless they want to get stuck. There's Anna, Doodle. Hey, don't fall. Wave at Mommy. Say hi, Mama and Papa. Say hi, Mama and Papa. Say, I'm eating ice and snow. I tell you, these plastic grocery bags are wonderful. Keep your hands and feet dry. Uh-oh.
I like this now. Probably could have made up on his own speed. As easy as they went up. You load 16 tons? And what?
Are you helping? Don't get cold now. Don't sit in it. She's getting a little more brave. She decides she wasn't gonna brave it. I'm sure it was on there, Eddie. You want to do a repeat and let me get you on?
What?
You want to?
Yellow 16 times. What do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. Well, St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. Oh, my soul to the company store.
Yay! Anna, don't!
Looks like I'm gonna have to keep carving some more, don't it?
She's undoing what he's doing. You gonna climb that little hill?
We'll climb that mountain. Make it to the other side. Amen. Very good.
And this stuff, but we're all about to go stir crazy. About to get on each other's nerves, aren't we, Anna? So we're gonna go over and check on Poppy and Thomas. There's that little robin hopping around out there. He's brave. Our icicles are still there on the house. They're predicting it's supposed to get down to 15 tonight. They're really long. Some of them are 3 to 4 feet.
Keys. There's birds out here looking for something to eat. I'm gonna pull them out some.
He must have been pretty hungry.
Who?
That robin.
Oh yeah. I saw him get a little worm came out of the ground, I think.
Are you gonna be able to get by the Toyota?
I wonder if that church over there suffered any of that flat tire. It's a lot of weight. Let me know. We're still running low on this ice here a little bit. We'll scrape some of it. She asleep. Only fell on there. All these roads have some ramps. People done been all over them. Out there.
You gotta be careful on those bridges.
Here it comes.